Dog and cats. Al-Azizia one. It's so windy today. So we are going to take this bus M317 going to Abu Sidra Mall. It's a very windy day. I'll walk fast. I'll walk really fast. M317. Shops at Hyatt Plaza.
Yeah, Q-Park.
Grabe kaya ang sunstorm. We are near the mall. Nalagi ni duha clinic dire. Ana. Nanay ko na ni. Nanay duha clinic yun na. Abu Sidra Mall. We have arrived. Narang stop. We are now inside Abu Sidra Mall. They have Doha Clinic here. And there's the food court. Nay KFC, nay Papa John's, nay McDonald's. Naada sila'y Chowking diri. Napod sila'y Pizza Hut diri. We are at the food court. Yemeni food ang among gi-order. Kaya na Yemeni diri sa food court. Tako kay ang bread. It's so big. Gamay ra kay akong kamot. And then,
Lentil with beans.
lamig kayong panong bagong luto. Humot kayo. Unsa na siya, onions and lime.
Puro mga chicken dami.
And we ordered beef xiao fan with siomai and iced tea from Chowking. Mga unamig tiwas. And then we got a free karak from the Yemeni restaurant. Kani siya nga klase nga karak ba kay mura siya bitit. Kanabit ang daghang mga spice compare sa uban ng mga karak nga ginainom. Mura gyud siya bitit. Nay murag anis, murag cinnamon. Kay kanang bitit kay kasha oil man nga murag cinnamon og baho ba. Medyo mingaw pa ilahang mall, pero dako man ni siya, so we're going there to the other side. The entrance na ay Starbucks and then there's Miniso. So is on the second floor. Ilang Starbucks na Bath and Body Works.
Nakakalimutan mo, kailangan siya inani, no? So, mahimo siya fully functional area.
Na ay Splash and then Miniso. 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 Dugan kayo, dako pa lang Miniso store. Ayun, napa dito. We're going there. Miniso. And then, Lulu Hypermarket. Dako ilang Lulu. May kailang Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Lot, the value store. And then, apoy Lulu department store. Nya, Splash. Ayan, home box. Cute kayo mga fish, oh. Fish. Barato ra diri sa LOT lot. Mga barato ra, cheap items. Very affordable. Murag nice ko nun eh. Tag 3 ra gud siya. Butangan ng eraser. Anay divider. Hala. Cute. So cute. Anay plate. As in, dagan kay sila mga cute nga tinda. Lots of cute items. Tagdusra. More cute plates. Cute kaayo. Oh. Ninduta sa nila mga tinda eh. Mga pugong. So cute. So cute. Mura si Chim Chim og si Latsa. Cute jud kaayo ni. Tagpila ni. 8. And this one, very cute. 6.75. Cute pants. Nice. We are here at their Daiso. Dako sa Changa store. Dako ilang Daiso diri. Shopping. nice silang Daiso dire. Na sila ininganin. And favorite section, stationery. Toilet toilet. And they have brands here of ball pen na wala sa uban. Kaning like this one uni, so I bought. And they have this kurumi. Kurumi. Inside their Miniso, nindot kay lang store. Melody. And here's our order: Spanish latte, karak, mango smoothie, and chocolate donut. Macdo katal. We are going home and we are waiting for the bus. Still very windy, but not so hazy. Malagpot-lagpot na sa danin. Bus stop. Abu Sidra mo. Pilay temperature karon? The bus is approaching 44 degrees Celsius, pero init kayo ang feeling as in mura ko ani hangin pa, init pa kayo, mura jud gi-open.